And when the sun goes down and the band won't play, I'll always remember. Hi, and welcome to the channel. Let's look at the chords contained in this song. So you're gonna have the C major, composed of the C, the E, and the G, and the bass note of C. Then you're gonna have the A minor, composed of the C, the E, and the A, and the bass note of A. Then F major, composed of the C, the F, and the A, and the bass note of F. G major, composed of the D, the G, and the B, and the bass note of G. And then A sharp major, played with the D, the F, and the A sharp, and the bass note of A sharp. Feel free to download the PDF file associated with this song so that you can understand the song even better. There's no introduction in this song, so let's look at the verse, and here's the corresponding table for that first section. Take the first chord, A minor, and play it like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then do the same thing with the F major. 1, 2, 3, 4. C major. 1, 2, 3, 4. And G major. 1, 2, 3, 4. The whole table would therefore sound like this. Na 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 na, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then repeat the table. And now with the lyrics. The Arizona sky burning in your eyes. You look at me and babe, I wanna catch on fire. And repeat one last time to complete the first verse. And right after that, you will have the first pre-chorus, and here's the new table for that section. And since we'll be keeping the exact same method, I will directly sing the lyrics. So when I'm all choked up, but I can't find the words. Every time we say goodbye, baby, it hurts. And chorus, okay? And we'll have a new table for that next section, so let me display it to you right now, and here's how to play this table. So you're gonna wanna play at each one of those words. Sun, goes, down, band, won't, play, always, remember, and way. Just like this. When the sun goes down and the band won't play, I'll always remember us this way. Okay? Here I'm only singing excerpts since you will have the entire song in a schematic form tomorrow. So for the second verse and second pre-chorus, just replay the tables that you already played for these specific sections. However, for the second chorus, there's gonna be some slight changes. So here's the corresponding table, and always keeping the same method, it would sound like this. And when the sun goes down and the band won't play, I'll always remember us this way. I don't wanna be just a memory, baby, yeah. And now for the ooh part, here's the table. And you reach the third pre-chorus, so play it like the previous ones, and then there's the third chorus, but again with some slight changes. So here's the table, and it should sound like this. When the sun goes down and the band won't play, I'll always remember us this way, yeah, yeah. And And then there's gonna be a new table where you can just play and hold the chord like this. So let me resume. Way here when you look at me and the whole world fades, I'll always remember us. And finally, we reach the last table for that last section, and since the song's ending, just play and hold the chords. I'll always remember us this way. Ooh. I wish you good luck for this one, and I will see you tomorrow for the entire song. Take care. Bye.